to the internship model or program that the ASLM has been implementing in various countries. As you'll be aware, one of the core objectives of ASLM is to build an army of professional and competent lab force. In line with that strategic objective, we developed a model whereby ASLM is collaborating with lab institutions or research centers.
The Antimicrobial Resistance Coordinating Center has a couple of strategic areas where we look at governance and coordination, we look at lab and surveillance. We also have education, advocacy, education and awareness, and optimal use, as well as antimicrobial stewardship.
With the microbiology lab, my role was centered on quality management system, whereby I was involved in the SATCAS accreditation success that we had 2 months ago. And I've also been able to review EQA Africa external quality assessments, which has been very helpful in my journey at ASLM, because I was also stationed to rotate in QMS department online. That's like an online department with ASLM. So it was very helpful to gain the hands-on experience here with the host organization, while also learning and gaining experience with the ISO via the online platform. And with the Antimicrobial Resistance Coordinating Center, I was able to work with the NAP prioritization projects that we had with the MRCC. And it was very helpful as an intern, being part of the core team and organizing a very huge successful project like that. It was also important for us as interns because we got to experience the inspiration from other mentors who are under the ASLM platform, as the women, the older generation of women who are mentoring us as interns as well. My other highlight of this internship would be the national prioritization project that we had. I was part of the core team whereby we organized the whole project, whereby I had to showcase my teamwork spirit. And not just that, but I was also able to work in a multicultural dynamic work setting, whereby us as a whole team of both the animal sector, the human sector, and as well as the environmental sector, were able to come together and come up with ideas on how we're going to go about our national action plan that's yet to be launched very soon. The model is very rich in experience because you're able to learn both on the online platform, and not just that, but you're also able to implement it by getting the hands-on experience of what you're getting via the online platform. So it's really like a pool of diversity, whereby we're getting a lot from both our online mentors, our host mentor, and as well as our ASLM in-country host mentor, which is saving us like with a pool of diversity in terms of both the profession and as well as the attributes that they are bringing to the table. Yeah, I've learned quite a lot. We're doing a series of communication with the communication department, whereby they were teaching us etiquettes, and not just that, but also presentation skills as well. And I've also rotated in the scientific department, whereby we're gaining skills in scientific writing, as well as data analysis and presentation. And not just that, but we also had the chance to gain skills in monitoring and evaluation via the online platform of ASLM that they were conducting a series of training. I 100% recommend this ASLM internship. It is very rich in experience, both the hands-on and also the technical side of it. So I recommend future ASLM interns to be proactive, to stay curious and be open-minded to learn as much as they can.
Here at the AMR NCC, we have an ECHO program, which is an online learning platform that focuses on antimicrobial stewardship. So I could tell that Gladys had gained some of these skills because she took part in this online program, and she was one of the subject matter experts as well as a didactic presenter. So she managed to teach. So what happens is we teach the facilities, different facilities across the country, on antimicrobial stewardship. And Gladys actually took part in this program as one of the didactic presenters, where she did a presentation on microbiology, and she did very well. So you can see that she's indeed learning and using her skill as she goes.